In this tutorial, you learn how to add text to your model in Bambu Studio. When a model is loaded, click on the Text Shape button here at the top. Let's first select another font by clicking on the current one. You can enter the name of a font to find it quicker. Now expand the Advanced menu. Here, you can change the boldness manually. You can use the cube to move to a top view. The angle should be -45 degrees here because the model was rotated the same amount of degrees. Skew can also be changed. Set it to 0 to reset it. You can also click on the bold button instead of changing it manually. Next to this is the button to make text italic, and on the left you see the value of the text size. On top, you can enter the text you want to print. Click on this arrow to reset text size. Let's make the text a bit smaller. All text parameters are good for now. Now select Objects here on the left. There you see the object, but also the text you created. Select the text and you see it's still on the print bed. Click on the Move button and drag the text to the upside. But it will stick to the print bed forever. Select the object and also the text while holding the Control key. Click right mouse button and choose Merge. Now the model and the text will be inside one assembly. Click on the Move button again. When you drag the text to the upside, it will stick to the right position. Click on the Text Shape button. Then a new text object will be created, which is what you don't want now. Click right mouse button on it and delete the text. Now select the text inside the assembly and click on the Text Shape button again. Click on the yellow cube and hold the left mouse button. With this, you can stick text to a specific surface. Click on the horizontal surface to put the text there. Change the thickness to 1 mm. While the text is selected, click on the Move button. Let's put it above the surface of the model. Click on the Text Shape button and use the yellow cube to put it quickly on the surface again. Instead of printing text on a surface, you can also cut it out by selecting Cut instead of Part. Now text won't stick out of the model but will be printed inside it. Click on the Preview tab to see what this looks like. And here you go. Click on the Prepare tab. Select the text and click on the Text Shape button. Let's change it back to Part and change the thickness to 0.5 mm. Click on the Preview tab again to see what this will look like. A few layers of text will be put on top of the model. Go back to the Prepare tab. Click right mouse button on the text and delete it. If you don't want the text to be gone, click on the Undo button here. You can also access the text menu directly by clicking right mouse button on it and select Edit Text. Here you can change all text parameters again. Click right mouse button on the text again and select Center. Now the text is aligned with the model. You might also want to check out my 3D design channel. See you there.